Hello and welcome to the Manufacturing Spirit podcast. Today we have a very special guest, Mr. Anil Kumar, who is the MD of Ceratizit Group. And we are going to discuss how Ceratizit Group has grown in India for past several decades. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you.
So kindly please tell us about the growth story of Ceratizit. How did you grow this company?
Yeah. After formation of Ceratizit in 2002, at that time we had only one plant, and we started from Calcutta. And starting from Calcutta is, quite intriguing because nobody generally starts from Calcutta. But over the years, we had no problems by having a plant in Calcutta. We did lot of investments in Calcutta and started serving our customers. Over the years, different companies were taken over, mainly to have technology advantage and also your inorganic growth. So during the journey till now, GW Guntavit became part of the group worldwide as well as in India. Then a smaller company, Cobra Carbide, was merged. And then later on, Comet became part of the Ceratizit group. And as of now, we are one unit. All units are basically legally merged. And now we are only Ceratizit India. With almost 500 employees, we are serving our customers with latest technology, latest tools. In our portfolio, we have almost 100,000 tools
Wow.
which are there in the catalog itself. So that helps our customers to select the tool quickly. And then our second strategy is to have a better service and serve our customers quickly. Not only to provide tools, but to provide solutions. So these things are helping us to grow further
Amazing.
and further.
Amazing, sir. So, organic and inorganic growth both has contributed to overall journey. Like you have grown organically, plus you have acquired a lot of companies.
Yeah,
Technology transfer has happened.
yeah,
You have grew your product portfolios. I mean, it's such a diverse product portfolio, 100,000
yeah,
products. I mean, any customer can get a tool from your catalog, right?
yeah, sure. So as of now, in India we have three plants.
Okay.
So two in Bangalore, one in Calcutta. So basically, we are producing a large range in India also. Yeah, in addition to that, whatever we don't do it, we get from Europe. So Europe has a larger range and some range to serve customers. We do it here.
Awesome. So, sir, what has been your secret? I mean, what kind of best practices you have implemented on your company, so and built such a great work culture in your company, which has boosted this growth.
Yeah. So Ceratizit as a company focuses on their employees, and we have been doing inclusive development. So basically, we focus on upgrading the skills of the people, continuously training, hand holding, and bringing them up. So we have in-house training courses from the group itself, and in India also we keep on doing as per the our overall guidance. And the second thing is we believe not in providing tools, we believe in providing solutions to the customers. So employees have become part of the company. They take it as a family. And most of our employees are with us for now 15, 20, 30 years. So that itself shows that we have a strong culture and we are strongly customer oriented company.
Great. That is a very fascinating approach, because
Yeah.
mostly companies say we are customer focused, but you are customer focused as well as employee focused, right?
Yeah, sure.
So, because company is made up of employees, right?
Yeah.
And when employees are happy and they are appreciated and they are being trained and they feel motivated to work harder, right?
Yeah.
And that has been a big your
That
initiate
helps a lot,
that
yes.
helps a lot. Great. So, sir, moving on to emerging technologies now, e-mobility is coming. Electric, everybody is talking about electric vehicle.
Yeah,
So, and your business is majorly into more than 50% is in automotive sector only,
sure,
which
yes.
has been a primarily a biggest market
Yeah,
in terms of manufacturing in India.
correct.
So, with the emergence of electric vehicles, how is it going to disrupt this market? What are the challenging you are facing when the engines will be will not be there in
Yeah,
the future?
yeah. So there are two aspects to this. Disruption will be there, but there is also opportunity. So engines will not be there, but there are other components which are coming in, trays and components for the batteries. And in between, I believe that there will be hybrid range, and there the tooling requirement will basically increase. So I think there will be a fair balance for the requirement, and we have already come up strongly with the solutions for electric vehicles also. We have a complete portfolio for automotive, including electric vehicles. So that helps our customers. Besides that, in India, aerospace is growing, automotive, besides automotive, mechanical engineering is growing, railway business is growing, aerospace in defense is growing. So there are not many opportunities.
No,
So we have to look into the opportunities.
that is correct. That's very interesting that you are talking about opportunities, and there are opportunities when there is every time when there is a disruption or crisis.
Yeah.
So, talking about the opportunities, I think aerospace, defense, as you said, medical implants manufacturing,
Yeah,
electronics manufacturing
correct.
has started in India in a big way now,
Yeah.
and it is a growing market for you as well. So,
Yeah.
how do you think what kind of opportunities are there for you in this segment?
Yes, I'll say there is a great opportunity. We already have, uh, I'll say, a catalog basically for medical components. So we already do a good business in Europe, and in India we have started growing in the medical segment. And the new emerging segment is the electronic segment.
Mhm.
You know, all kind of mobiles, electronic watches, laptops, all these things requires a lot of tooling actually, and we have started in a small way in this. We have the capabilities to serve these segments, and we are taking this opportunity.
Amazing, amazing. So let's go to your favorite topic now, sustainability. I
Yeah,
think you are taking a big initiative in sustainability and you
yeah,
are doing a lot of things.
yeah,
And can you please elaborate on that?
yeah. See, sustainability is our initiative, group initiative, and we have taken it very, very seriously and aggressively. Our goals are to be leader in sustainability, and that's as soon as 2025.
Wow.
And we will be actually carbon neutral by 2025 by different measures. And then next goal will be in 2030, where we reduce carbon footprint by almost 60%. And then by 2040 will be net negative. So that is, I think, quite ahead of the UN target of 2050. So different actions are already taken on these front. Uh, it's not only energy conservation, but we are securing our natural resources for the future generations. First and foremost thing what we are doing is conserving what we use as a raw material. So our basic metal is tungsten, and we are already doing a lot of recycling in that. We have to conserve it, secure our future, because the resources are depleting, and we have to come to this side. So we have already started. We have invested in recycling plants, and Tawanda we have a plant, in Austria, Royalty we have a plant. We do a lot of recycling there, and we have already come up with a product which is called green carbide. We have produced rods out of it, and that's really working. The carbon footprint required to produce these rods is just 2.6 kilogram of carbon dioxide, against a requirement of for a standard rod you require somewhere between 19 to 30 kilogram of carbon.
Wow.
So that is a huge reduction.
Yeah.
And recently we got a award in AMB show also for this.
That's
And we
amazing.
also produced two lot of this, and for that also we got a award.
Wow.
Basically this tool is giving almost 10%, to be exact 9%. We did test, and we got almost 109% of performance as compared to our standard high grade product from virgin powder.
So you are making environment friendly product, but also getting the higher performance as well.
Yes, that's it. So it is a double benefit basically. Tomorrow, every company will start working on this, and this product will help them to reduce their carbon footprint. And that's not only thing we are doing. We are next is energy conservation. So we are already investing in that. As a group, I'll say in Luxembourg, recently we put up a largest solar panels on our all car parking area. So that is biggest in Luxembourg.
Wow.
There will be generating a lot of electricity which will be used for our requirements. In India, we have already invested, and in Calcutta, we have put a big solar panel plant
Okay.
which is helping us. Besides that, we are also, working for water conservation. So in all our plants, we have soak pits. We recharge the earth with all rainwaters and extra water and all that. So all these things we are taking care of.
This is amazing. I mean, this is
Yeah,
an incredible effort you are taking, for the sustainability, and this is required right now, with
right,
all these climate change challenges.
correct.
And 2025 carbon neutral is a very, very ambitious goal, and I think with the initiative and the effort and the hard work you are
Yeah,
put in, you will be definitely be able to
definitely
achieve that goal
yes.
very soon.
Yeah,
So, sir,
we are quite confident on that.
yeah. So I think, and one more thing, when we were discussing earlier, that you have a very integrated supply chain, right?
Yeah,
And from raw material to the end product, you are doing it's everything itself in the group. So you
yeah,
will be able to, do it faster than anybody else. It's a advantage as well in terms of business. Plus, from the sustainability point of view, also,
yeah,
when the raw material is environment friendly, then product itself will become environment friendly.
correct. So that's one of the big advantage for us. The whole cycle of production is within the group, right? From the raw material, all the resources are within our group. So outside China, we are actually one of the largest producer of the raw material also,
Wow.
and that secures our supply chain. So in case of any disruption in the world, whether it's war or any other thing, we are quite sure that we'll keep on serving our customers.
No, that's very big advantage, because right now there are wars happening, and the supply chain disruption is happening because
Yeah,
of COVID. Also, it happened. So it becomes very reliable when customers will be discussing with you about their requirements, because you have
correct,
whole supply chain under your control,
correct.
and it will be a very reliable thing for the customers.
Yeah, that's definitely an advantage.
Great. So, sir, tell me about what kind of, because now IMTEX is happening
Hmm.
very soon
Yeah,
after 4 years.
yeah,
So I'm sure you will be coming up with some futuristic technologies, Industry 4.0,
yeah,
4.0
yeah,
and all. So
yeah.
can you please explain me about those upcoming
Sure.
technologies?
So we are coming up with lot of futuristic products. We'll talk definitely about sustainability, and under that, what we did is green carbide. We have already come out with the grade, and that will be showcasing. We'll showcasing the tools produced out of this green carbide. So customer can see that. And besides that, we'll be showcasing our latest technologies. One of them is Industry 4.0. We have like products like Toolscope, which can be integrated with the machines, and that is our product. And customers get benefited in terms of productivity. That this technology helps them in saving cost in different points. Tool breakages, tool monitoring, increasing the life, optimizing the parameters, and optimizing the cycle. So it's really a great advantage. Besides that, we have also come up with electronic tools basically. You know, simple example, a boring bar, you can set it manually,
Mm-hmm.
not manually, electronically.
Okay.
So that is a big advantage. Otherwise, earlier you used to take fine setting tools to a presetter, set it again, spend some time, bring it back, put to the machine. Now, right on the machine, we can see it and just change it quickly. So these kind of the things we are bringing to the market for the benefit of the customer.
Amazing.
Yeah. Besides that, so one of the new product is free turn, which has changed the definition of turning. And the advantage of free turn technology is with one insert, you can basically machine a complicated component with different profiles. You don't need to change the insert. And with the help of this product and machine, you can really finish the component. So that's also kind of a new technology which helps the customers a lot.
This will be very, very fantastic, and we are looking forward to see all these technologies in Imtech show.
Right.
So, sir, uh, and now we were talking about the futuristic technology. So now, as a industry veteran, we would like to understand how do you think India is going to emerge as a big manufacturing player at the global stage? What do you think about next 10 years? How Indian economy, specifically manufacturing sector, is going to grow in next 10 years?
Yeah. Uh, I think will grow very fast. Different things are helping government policies, make in India, and besides that, the major factor is reliability and you know technically qualified people.
Hmm.
So these things will definitely help in the growth of technology and ultimately manufacturing and ultimately achieving the goals of economy.
Definitely, and I think as our government is also pushing us very in a good way that we have to become a 5 trillion economy very soon, third
Yeah,
largest economy in the world.
yeah,
I think target is for 2027, I guess.
yeah.
So, and manufacturing sector will play a very, very big role in that.
Sure, I think we'll achieve definitely before that.
Yeah, we are all optimistic about that, right?
Yeah.
So, sir, at the end of the podcast, we would like to, request you for any message to our global audience who are watching you right now.
Yeah.
So, stage is all yours.
So, thank you. As a company, we are focusing on sustainability besides providing not tooling but solutions to our customers. And I think that is very important for our future generations. We have to take care of our resources and give a clean environment, clean earth for our generations to come, along with latest technology. So both things can go hand in hand, and everyone has to cut. We are showcasing our latest technologies in IMTEX, which is going to happen at BIEC, Bangalore, and our hall number is 3, stall number is 114. So I request all our customers and future customers to please visit us and have a look on the latest technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. It
Yeah.
was pleasure meeting you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me.